Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I thought I'd give you a quick fun bonus tip today using my new Stream Deck like this right here. Here's the Stream Deck software, and I want to put a hotkey on here. I want to export my 360 panoramas. So I'm going to put a system hotkey on this button right here. And I could click to assign and observe keystrokes, but I want to use a unique keystroke that you may not realize you have on here. So I'm going to use the drop down arrow instead and go to F keys, and notice you have F keys, function keys beyond F12 that's on your keyboard. So let's do F20. And I'll give this title Export 360. Now, how are you going to put that F20 into Chief Architect as a hotkey? I'm going to use this button right here on the Stream Deck to use that to enter as a hotkey in Chief Architect. Go to Tools, Toolbars and Hotkeys, Customize Hotkeys, and I'm going to search for 360. And I'm going to Export Tools, Export 360 Panorama, and my hotkey is, I'm going to assign right here. Press the Stream Deck button, F20. Assign that, click OK, and then when I hit the button, that's going to export my 360 Panorama. You can do, there's, 12 extra F function keys on there that are hidden using the Stream Deck, or some other sort of macro button hotkey entering device that you may have. I don't know if that might work on my Logitech mouse or anyway, you can play with it. Fun little tip there. Have fun. Take care.